Hi, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I'm the creator of Recipes Around the World and I invite you to my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com for a rich selection of food and beverage recipes from around the world. Now, this video is a part of my bartending series where I'll be walking you guys through 11 categories of drinks in the bartending universe. And today's category is highballs. And the drink we'll be making today is a Cape Cod, which is a very simple drink, a very nice, refreshing summer drink that will, I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun to make and it goes really great with any food recipe. Now, just a quick note on highballs. Highballs, drinks in the highball categories are by far the most commonly served in most establishments. It's usually a liquor base and 1 to 2 mixers, mixers being juices and in most cases, and the appropriate garnish. It's usually served in a highball glass, 9 to 7 ounce glass, topped with ice, with a straw, and again, the appropriate garnish. So today we're making a Cape Cod. A little history on the Cape Cod. The Cape Cod drink was allegedly created by cranberry growers for the company Ocean Spray back in the 1940s. And back then, this drink was actually called a Red Devil. Again, a very popular drink, a very easy drink to make. So let's get right to it. So we start off with a highball glass. We're going to fill it up with some ice. And then for the mixers we're going to use today is cranberry juice. And the liquor base is going to be vodka. Now, I use a free pourer in most cases when I make drinks. There are pourers that have a ball inside, a measuring pourer that you can measure your 1 ounce, 2 ounce. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a measuring glass as well, just so you can see, just to help me stay accountable with the ounces I use. So this is for highballs, it's always 1 ounce of liquor. So we're going to use 1 ounce. In our drink, we're going to top it off with some cranberry juice. And then this is an optional step. I'm going to add some lime juice, sweet lime juice to my drink as well, because we are using a lime garnish. So just a dash of sweet lime. That's all you need. And then the appropriate garnish, obviously, is a lime. I'm just going to cut off the piece there. And stick to the side, add your straw, and voila, this is a Cape Cod. This is a very refreshing drink, goes very well on summer evenings, good holiday drink, very easy to make, and I hope you give it a shot and make yourself a glass, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel and please stay following this playlist and the other drink playlists and the other food playlists for some great food and beverage recipes. Again, I'm Ben. This is Recipes Around the World, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.